Hey everyone, Linus here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of foldable phones with a hands-on look at the OnePlus V Flip. Foldable phones have come a long way, and we're excited to see what OnePlus brings to the table. So, buckle up, smash that subscribe button, and let's unfold the future together. Ready for the rundown? Let's go. Alright folks, meet the OnePlus V Flip. This sleek device marks OnePlus's entry into the foldable phone arena. Unlike its bigger book-style foldable siblings, the V Flip embraces the classic flip phone design, but with a modern twist. We're talking about a pocket-friendly powerhouse that unfolds to reveal a full-screen experience. Intrigued? Let's get up close and personal. First impressions? The OnePlus V Flip feels incredibly well built. It's surprisingly solid for a foldable, and the hinge feels robust, snapping shut with a satisfying click. The outer glass back is sleek and premium, but it does attract fingerprints like a magnet. Luckily, OnePlus includes a clear case in the box to keep it pristine. Overall, the design is a winner, elegant, pocketable, and built to last. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, that glorious foldable screen. This is not just any screen, it's a marvel of modern engineering and design. Imagine having a device that fits snugly in your pocket, yet unfolds to reveal a large, expansive display. It's like carrying a tablet in your pocket, but without the bulk. The OnePlus V Flip boasts a vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED display that unfolds smoothly, revealing a nearly creaseless surface. This display is not just about size, it's about quality. The AMOLED technology ensures that every pixel is bright and vivid, making your content look stunning. Whether you're watching a movie, browsing photos, or just scrolling through social media, everything looks better on this screen. The colors are punchy, the blacks are deep, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and animations buttery smooth. This high refresh rate is a game changer, especially for gamers and those who love smooth animations. It reduces motion blur and makes every swipe, tap, and scroll feel incredibly responsive. Watching videos and playing games on this thing is a real treat. The large screen size combined with the high-quality display makes for an immersive experience. Imagine watching your favorite movie or playing the latest game with graphics that pop and colors that are true to life. It's like having a mini cinema or a portable gaming console in your hands. The immersive experience is top-notch. The foldable design also adds a new dimension to multitasking. You can have multiple apps open side by side, making it easier to work, play, and stay connected. The OnePlus V Flip is not just a phone, it's a versatile tool that adapts to your needs, whether you're a professional on the go, a gamer, or just someone who loves cutting-edge technology. Section 5. Performance that pops. Under the hood, the OnePlus V Flip packs some serious power. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon processor and comes with plenty of RAM to handle even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just scrolling through social media, this phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. OnePlus has a reputation for speed, and the V Flip doesn't disappoint. Section 6. Picture-perfect moments. Camera quality is crucial these days, and the OnePlus V Flip doesn't disappoint. The dual camera system takes fantastic photos in various lighting conditions. Colors are accurate, details are sharp, and the portrait mode is impressive. Plus, that foldable design lets you use the main cameras for selfies, which is a game changer. Whether you're a casual snapper or a budding photographer, the V Flip has you covered. Section 7. Powering through your day. Battery life is often a concern with foldable phones, but the OnePlus V Flip holds its own. The dual battery system provides enough juice to get you through a full day of moderate use. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charging capabilities will have you up and running in no time. No need to be tethered to a wall outlet all day. Section 8. Software that shines. The OnePlus V Flip runs on OxygenOS, OnePlus's custom Android skin, known for its clean interface and smooth performance. It's close to stock Android, which we love, with a few thoughtful additions that enhance the overall experience. Plus, you get the added bonus of intuitive gestures and features specifically designed for the foldable screen. It's a winning combination of simplicity and functionality. Section 9. The good and the could be better. In this section we will delve into the strengths and weaknesses of the OnePlus V Flip, a device that has garnered much attention in the tech world. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The OnePlus V Flip comes with a hefty price tag, which might be a deal breaker for some potential buyers. It's important to weigh the cost against the features and benefits it offers. Foldable phones are still a premium product, and the OnePlus V Flip is no exception. The technology behind foldable screens is still relatively new and expensive to produce, which is reflected in the price. However, for those who are willing to invest, it offers a unique and futuristic experience. It's a significant investment, but you're getting cutting-edge technology and a unique user experience. The hinge mechanism, for instance, is a marvel of engineering, allowing the phone to fold and unfold seamlessly. The screen quality is top-notch, providing vibrant colors and sharp details. Another thing to consider is the lack of water resistance, which is a bummer considering the price point. In an era where many high-end smartphones boast water and dust resistance, the absence of this feature in the OnePlus V Flip is a notable drawback. This means users need to be extra cautious around water. Overall, the OnePlus V Flip is an impressive device with a few minor drawbacks. It excels in areas like design, display quality, and innovative features. However, the high price and lack of water resistance are factors that potential buyers need to consider. If you're someone who values cutting-edge technology and is willing to pay a premium for it, the OnePlus V Flip could be a great choice. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with robust durability, you might want to explore other alternatives. Section 10. Is the OnePlus V Flip right for you? So, who is this phone for? Let's dive deeper into what makes the OnePlus V Flip stand out, and who might benefit the most from this innovative device. If you're someone who loves being on the cutting edge of technology and wants a phone that turns heads, the OnePlus V Flip is definitely worth considering. Its sleek design and foldable screen make it a conversation starter wherever you go. Imagine sitting in a trendy cafe, flipping open your phone, and instantly catching the attention of everyone around you. It's perfect for those who value portability and a unique mobile experience. The compact design means it can easily fit into small purses or pockets, making it incredibly convenient for those always on the move. Plus, the foldable screen offers a unique way to interact with your device, providing a fresh and exciting user experience. However, it's important to consider your budget and specific needs. If you're on a tight budget, the OnePlus V Flip might not be the best option as it comes with a premium price tag. Additionally, if you need a phone with top-of-the-line water resistance, you might want to explore other options. While the OnePlus V Flip offers some level of water resistance, it may not be sufficient for those who require their phone to withstand more extreme conditions. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Weigh the pros and cons and consider what features are most important to you. The OnePlus V Flip is a fantastic choice for tech enthusiasts and those who appreciate innovative design. However, if budget constraints or specific features like advanced water resistance are your top priorities, you might find better options elsewhere. Take your time to research and make an informed decision that best suits your lifestyle and needs. Section 11. Thanks for tuning in. That's a wrap on the OnePlus V Flip. We hope you found this review helpful. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's another phone you'd like us to review. And as always, thanks for watching.